We are in an internal comms team on global level, so everything is in English, and ChatGPT actually is a great tool to draft headlines, to find the right keywords, to make it crisp. So we are using it every day actually to find the best angle, the best perspective. We are also using image generators here and there whenever it is very hard to find an image and we don't want to use a stock image, then we try to at least bring the brand feeling in, our colors. So that is a great use case. And we are also experimenting with AI video generation, especially when it comes to text to speech or playing around with AI avatars. This is a new sphere, I would say, that is super interesting because we never get the big budgets in internal comms. So these are the tools that you can use to create better content, more audiovisual content in internal comms, and this is what we are focusing on.
Actually, as we are working in photo finishing, it's all AI that works within Photoshop and all these programs. So that's number one. Number two, for me as a content creator, is also the translation tools that you can use. So it's as we are an international company, it's really helpful for me as someone who can speak English but who's not like a native speaker. To double check whether my translation is fine or whether I need some little tweaks on some sentences to make it sound a little warmer and better. And then there is large language models, so like ChatGPT. We even have our own CV GPT, and this is something that is like, yeah, that's in our all-day work life now.
My top one is actually a grammar program writing, because I do a lot of writing. So when I'm done with it, with an article, I always let it check. That's something I wouldn't survive with because I'm really bad at grammar. So that saves my life and my work. And then ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT not for writing articles, but as a sparring partner and to give me ideas. When I have an idea, then I ask ChatGPT and then it gives me back an answer. And with that answer, I'll continue working. Either it validates or it gives me new ideas for my own articles. Yeah, but I think in writing, ChatGPT is bad at writing. I wouldn't advise to use it. And then number three is my current favorite one is Dall-E. Dall-E is also part of ChatGPT, and I use it to describe my pictures. Before I used to do it manually. When I make a post, then I always want to offer the people that are blind an alternative text. To me, it's important. But then I had to do it manually, and now it's much faster because I just upload my picture to Dall-E and tell them, okay, please write me a photo description with maximum 500 characters, and yeah, I have it within seconds. And it's much better written, more detailed than I do, and it saves me a lot of time.